Still.
अभी खत्म करिए
Start. Good
अरे संदीप थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का
Thank you guys.
Waiting for the TV to give cues. It's my great pleasure to invite you to the University Cricket Championship, an initiative by the Association of Indian Universities and support.
Good evening, everyone, and first of all, I'd like to thank Rahul personally for being associated, supporting, and I would like to say being a role model for budding sportsmen and sportsmen around the world. One of my favoriteest people in the world for his grace, for his resilience, for his dedication, for his hard work, and just being so quiet through all of this. So, my hero. So thank you very much for being on the same dais. I thank the BCCI, of course, and I thank the Association of Indian Universities. I thank the HRD Ministry, of course, and everyone who's associated with this, NDTV, even Star, all of you coming here tonight to help us create a platform which we all truly believe in this whole team that is trying to set up the University Cricket Championship is perhaps one of the nicest platforms that we can provide for budding sportsmen, not just cricket, starting with cricket, but also, being able to explain to people what sports can do and what sports can do for them at the grassroots levels. So thank you, everyone. Inshallah, it will be a big success. And here's wishing all the 8 teams, here's wishing all the 128 players, here's wishing all the lakhs and lakhs of budding sportsmen around the country that participate. Some of them on the field, some off it, some of them hoping to become a sportsman like the great Wall here. And we wish them all the best and hope this goes on forward, not only by our association, by associations other than us who take other sports also to this level. And thank you all of you for being here tonight. Thank you.
Rahul, how do you think this initiative would help university and college students as well as cricket at the grassroots?
Well, I think firstly it's really nice to be here. It's lovely to be here and to be associated in this particular event. It's also nice to have someone like Shahrukh here, and like to thank him for the kind words, but also to recognize, I think, his support for sport in this country, not only at the elite level, but also at a grassroots and university level. And I think these things make a huge difference. Also, I think university cricket, and especially the Rohington Barrier at one time was, one of the most high-profile cricket tournaments in this country. And a lot of cricketers actually came and played for India from their performances in university cricket. That over the years has died down. And I think with initiatives like this and competitions like this, there's a great opportunity to revive, cricket in the universities and give people a chance to play in the universities. I think one of the great things of reviving university sport, and for me, which is really special, is it allows children and it allows young boys and girls especially the opportunity to study as well as to play sport. And I think that is really important in today's day and age. So it's a great initiative, and I hope this really kicks on and becomes something that university boys and girls really look forward to.
Thank you, Rahul. Before I open the floor, I'd like to request you once again, please restrict your questions to the University Cricket Championship. Any questions?
संदीप
रियल क्रिकेट इज टेस्ट क्रिकेट यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट में जिस तरह से 2020 क्रिकेट हो रहा है आपको लगता है कि ये सही है आगे के क्रिकेट के लिए क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी टीम को देखें तो उससे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट को पॉपुलर बनाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये चीज है कि यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट पॉपुलर हो, लड़के खेलें. हमने देखा है इन द लास्ट 20 years यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट थोड़ी मर गई है, डेड हो गई है. तो उसको रिवाइव करने के लिए अगर 2020 की जरूरत है तो उसमें कोई हर्ज नहीं है. मेरे ख्याल से वो एक अच्छी बात है कि लड़कों को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा खेलने के लिए और रिवाइव होगा क्रिकेट. उससे फिर आगे जाके 3-डे 4-डे क्रिकेट भी आ सकता है. पर जरूर ये मानता हूँ कि पहले रिवाइव करने की जरूरत है यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Shahrukh. On your right. Good evening, Rahul, and good evening, Dheeraj also. Dheeraj, ये दोनों शाहरुख और राहुल जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आपको लगता है ये एक निहायत ही फायदेमंद चीज रहेगी लोगों को एनकरेज करने के लिए, यंगस्टर्स को?
So to have them involved, it's a great privilege for us, and I'm sure people watching will really get enthusiased by this.
शाहरुख, नए युवाओं लोगों को एनकरेज करना, हमेशा ही आप इस चीज में आगे रहे हैं. इस बार क्या सोचते हैं इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में, कितने फायदेमंद रहेगा ये?
आई थिंक कोई भी इनिशिएटिव जो स्पोर्ट्स के लिए लिया जाए, कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, और किसी भी तरह से राहुल जैसे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं या मेरे जैसे जो एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हैं, अगर हमारी उससे जुड़ने से इस चीज़ का और प्रचार हो सके, बढ़ सके, पॉपुलर हो सके, तो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज कोई भी जो यंगस्टर्स के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया जाएगा आज की दुनिया में, उसके अंदर हमें किसी ना किसी तरीके से स्पॉन्सर्स की जरूरत होगी, जगहों की जरूरत होगी, मीडिया की जरूरत होगी. तो इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट वी क्रिएट एन ऑल्टरनेट प्रोफेशन for youngsters in this country, and I think sports is perhaps the greatest profession that is wanting in our country. तो हमारी उम्मीद यही है कि इससे और भी लोग प्रेरित होंगे और ऐसे और भी टूर्नामेंट, ऐसे और भी चैंपियनशिप क्रिएट होंगे हर स्पोर्ट के लिए, और ये शुरुआत है. होपफुली ये खुद जो है नीरज और एनडीटीवी और जितनी भी सारी टीम है इनकी, उसकी वजह से बढ़ेगा और यंगस्टर्स तक पहुंचेगा. दे विल फील, आई थिंक जस्ट एज अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल, आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली थ्रिलिंग. व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, I came third in a 2-mile run in National Stadium in Delhi. एक छोटा सा स्निपेट है कि मैं थर्ड आया था, तो स्निपेट आज तक मैंने बचा कर रखा हुआ है. So I think for these youngsters to watch themselves on television in high speed in front of not only an audience but their parents will convince the parents to allow their children to play sports more, and I think it will just make the excitement factor and wanting factor of being a sports person more in this country.
शाहरुख, आप अलग अलग खेलों में विश्वास रखते हैं, देखा भी है, सुना भी है कि आप फुटबॉल में भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, हॉकी में भी, तो आप स्पोर्ट्स में भी अपने समय में ऑलराउंडर थे?
क्या ऐसा सवाल तुम राहुल के सामने पूछोगे तो बड़ी शर्म आता है. मैं ठीक ठाक गली क्रिकेट खेल लेता हूँ.
राहुल, इन्होंने तो बोला कि आप इनके हीरो हैं. शाहरुख के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मतलब
पता नहीं, मेरे हर पिक्चर में क्या नाम होता है? राहुल. नाम तो सुना होगा.
फिर भी राहुल को आप खुद राहुल हैं और राहुल को पर्दे पे राहुल देखना कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा तो जरूर लगता है, एंड बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली it was nice to know that Shahrukh ran 2 miles when he was in school. I never ran 2 miles. I could have finished 2 miles. So that's like I said earlier, I think it's great that someone like him's come forward and supported sport. It's given it a profile that's that's really important, and it's nice to see. It's not, like I said earlier, it's not just at an elite level, not at an IPL level where obviously it's easy to get involved in, but it's nice to see that someone like him is willing to come down and support university sport and junior sport and other sports as well, which I think makes a big difference in this country. It is about stars and people, and it's a genuine interest, which is really nice to see.